What if I told you your car's biggest performance issue might be hiding behind a $15 piece of plastic? Not your spark plugs, not your air filter. I'm talking about your gas cap. Yeah, that thing you twist after filling up. Most drivers overlook it, but ignoring your gas cap could be costing you power, fuel efficiency, and even engine life. Sounds ridiculous? Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your gas cap the same way again, and you'll learn how this tiny fix could save you hundreds on future repairs. Let's get into it. Secret number 1. Replace a worn gas cap. Here's the truth. Your gas cap isn't just a lid. It's a pressure regulator for your entire fuel system. Over time, the rubber seal can dry out, crack, or get brittle. When that happens, vapors leak out, pressure drops, and your engine starts to struggle. Ever felt your car hesitate when you hit the gas? This might be why. The check engine light you're panicking over could literally be fixed with a trip to AutoZone and $20. A fresh gas cap restores the pressure your engine needs to burn fuel efficiently. That means better mileage, smoother performance, and one less warning light to worry about. Secret number 2. Tighten or replace a loose cap. Loose gas caps are sneaky. One quick twist that doesn't click, and boom, you've triggered codes like P0440 or P0457. Your EVAP system can't trap fuel vapors, your car guzzles gas, and your check engine light turns into a permanent dashboard accessory. So here's the quick fix. Tighten until it clicks. Still loose? Replace it. Done. Problem solved. But what if your cap looks fine, and the problem is still there? Secret number 3. Clean it up. Sometimes it's not the cap. It's the gunk around it. Dust, grime, or rust on the filler neck can ruin the seal and let pressure escape. Here's a simple trick. Grab a cloth, hit it with a little WD-40, and clean both the gas cap and filler neck. It's like giving your fuel system a fresh breath of air. And no, WD-40 won't damage the rubber. In fact, it can actually restore flexibility to aging seals. Secret number 4. Use the right cap type. Not all caps are created equal. Some cars need vented caps that let air in. Others require sealed caps to keep the emission system tight. Using the wrong one, you could confuse your sensors, throw off fuel delivery, and even cause engine misfires. Moral of the story: don't guess. Check your owner's manual or ask a pro. Secret number 5. Replace the gasket. Last secret, and it's one that even mechanics overlook. If your cap looks fine but still leaks vapor, the problem could be the rubber gasket inside. This gasket seals the cap to your tank. If it's cracked or flattened, it can't hold pressure, and that means vapor loss, rough idles, and possibly even fuel contamination. The good news? You can often just replace the gasket, not the entire cap. Cost? A few bucks. Time? 5 minutes. Value? Immeasurable. So, before you chase big repairs under the hood, start small. Check your gas cap. Clean it. Replace it if needed. Because sometimes the smallest part makes the biggest impact. If this helped you take one step closer to DIY confidence and smarter car care, tap that subscribe button. We've got more money-saving tips coming your way, because you deserve to drive smarter, not spend harder. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I've got your back. Until next time, keep those engines running smooth. Oncoming fist.